Do you like picking my food? Yes, I do. My favorite food. I like it. Kitten and Kitten fun. Sometimes more yummy. What is Christmas and who is Santa Claus? I can't believe it. You don't know what Christmas is? I can't believe it. Of course I don't know what Christmas is. My family and I always sleep until spring. We hibernate. Strawberries are all the fun things. I will go ask my mama about this. Goodbye, Wolfie. Goodbye, Wilfred. Goodbye, Bertie. Goodbye, Bertie.
So Bertie went home and she asked her mommy about Christmas and winter.
Mommy, what is winter? Winter is when the earth gets very cold. The snow falls. All the bears go to sleep. Look at spring. But my friends say winter is very fun. Well, they like it, but we are very smart. It's too cold winter. We stay in bed. But what about Christmas and Santa Claus? It's just a holiday, nothing special. It's time to go to sleep. It's time to go to sleep now.
So it was time for Bertie to go to sleep, but she had an idea. She wanted to sleep through the whole winter.
I want to be awake for Christmas this year. I will go to sleep now and wake up early for Christmas.
So Bertie went to sleep early so that she could wake up early for Christmas. She slept and slept. It started to get colder and the snow started to fall down. The leaves just blew away and it got very, very cold and it was time for some snow to fall. Then it was time for all the bears to go to sleep for the winter.
Bertie will go to sleep now.
Bertie did not hear her mommy.
Okay, good night, Bertie. See you spring.
So Bertie's mommy lay down next to her daughter and went to sleep for the whole winter. But Bertie woke up early and she saw the winter snow for the first time.
Wow, that's winter snow. I want to go outside to play.
So Bertie continued walking and playing in the snow. She was so happy to keep walking and playing in the snow that she got lost.
Help me, and that's how do I go home?
Then suddenly Santa Claus appeared. He had a bag of toys and goodies.
Who are you?
Ho, ho, ho. I am Santa Claus. Little birdie, you should be asleep.
Yes, but I wanted to see you, but now I'm lost.
I can bring you home. Let's go.
Well, we are home already. We are so cool.
Now, little birdie, what do you want for Christmas?
May I have Christmas cake and chocolate Christmas candy?
Okay, let me look in my bag. Here's some.
Thank you very much, Santa. Can we have gifts again next year?
But you must live whole winter.
Okay, I will thank you, Santa. Goodbye.
Goodbye, birdie. Ho, ho, ho.
So, Bertie very quietly went back to bed. She was very careful not to wake up her mommy, who was already sleeping for a very long time. She went back to bed very quietly, laid down next to her mommy, and they slept and slept. They slept through the winter, and it started to get warmer. And the sun came out, the flowers started blooming, butterflies came out, the snow disappeared, and it was springtime, and it was time for the bears to wake up.
Good morning, Bertie. What do you have? I have Christmas cake and chocolate Christmas candy. Well, let's choose a friend.